This is not going to be an easy one. But unfortunately, as of yesterday, I no longer work with BMW of North America. With everything that's going on, they were unable to bring me internal or extend my contract. For my first 3 years, I worked on the customer experience team and produced how-to videos which accumulated millions of YouTube views. And most recently, I was in charge of social media for BMW Group University. If you know anything about my past, you may remember that I was an engineer. But I had this crazy idea to switch career paths and follow something I had a little more passion for. At that time, my long-term dream goal was to be on a marketing team for BMW. Well, guess you can say I attained that goal. So now it's time for a new one. This is a little bit fortuitous though, since today is the 10-year anniversary of when I bought my first BMW, my dream car, an E46 M3. This entire experience has been unforgettable. From driving across the country to move to New York, even though I'd never even visited here before, to hosting meetings at BMW's world headquarters in Munich. And speaking of unforgettable, I want to leave you with this. The moment I knew I would one day accomplish this goal.
Yeah, we make ultimate driving machines. But with every rush of adrenaline and every racing pulse, it's our fans, like Nate, who make us. We only make one thing: the ultimate driving machine.